Welcome to Camglish.com. I'm Teacher Angel, and join me as we answer another set of grammar exercises in the book Essential Grammar News, 3rd edition by Raymond Murphy. Let us enhance your grammar through applying everything we learned from our previous videos. Let's try to answer some exercises under Unit 49. This is exercise 49.1. I want you to answer these questions with I don't know where, when, why, and so on. Let's have an example in number 1. Have your friends gone home? We have here the given word were. We can answer I don't know where they've gone, or I don't know where they've gone. Okay? You don't know. Now, I will let you do numbers 2 to 6 and pause your video for a while so you can concentrate, and later on you can play it to check your answers. Let's start now. I think you're now ready to answer and check all these given exercises. Okay, let's start with number 2. Situation is Kate in her office? Given word is were. I don't know where she is. We put is, the word is, at the end of our sentence because we are not making question. Instead, we are making answers, right? Third, is the castle very old? Given words, how old? I don't know how old it is. Fourth, will Paul be here soon? Given word is when. Use it in your answer. I don't know when he'll be here. Fifth, was he angry because I was late? Given word is why. Use it in a sentence. I don't know why he was angry. Sixth, has Sally lived here a long time? Given phrase, how long? Your answer should be this. I don't know how long she has lived here. So, do you have the same answers like in here? Well, that's very good. Let's go to exercise 49.2. Complete the sentences. How do airplanes fly? We will make a question or statements. Let's have the first one. Do you know how airplanes fly? We will make questions using the promptings we have in the beginning of our sentences. And they are supposed to be our answers. Now, you can do questions 2 to 6 on your own while stopping the video for a while. Then you can check it and play the video when you're done. Okay? Hi students. Well, we're back and we're going to check your answers from numbers 2 to 6. Our situation in number 2 is, where does Susan work? You can have the statement, I don't know where Susan works. If you notice, we add s to our verb here. Work became works because we are not making question starting with do or does, right? It's a statement. I don't know where Susan works. And we apply the subject-verb agreement. Right? We have the subject Susan, okay, and that's singular, so we add s to our verb to make it in singular form. Don't forget that. Okay? Third, what did Peter say? Do you remember what Peter said? Okay. Next one. Why did he go home early? I don't know why he went home early. We have here the past form of go, which is went, because our question here is also in the past simple form, right? Now let's start with question number 5. What time does the meeting begin? We can ask this question. Do you know what time the meeting begins? Okay, we add s to our verb because we start with a question do. Do you know what time the meeting begins? We added s to our verb because does was not put in the middle of our sentence, right? Unlike the question, where does he live? Does was put in the middle of the question, right? Next one, how did the accident happen? I don't remember how the accident happened. We have here the past form of our main verb happened. The difference between questions 5 and 1 is this. If you notice, our subject here is airplanes. It's more than one. While our subject here is singular, right? The accident. Okay, so we have the word happened. In this word, in this number, we have the word meeting, right? Which is only one. That's why we add s to our verb. But this one, we have plural subject. That's why our verb is just in the base form fly. We didn't add s to our verb. Okay? Good. Okay, guys, that will be all for today's activity. Thank you for joining our class. Again, I'm Teacher Angel. I hope to see you next time. I invite you to enroll in Camglish.com so that you will improve and enhance your English speaking skills, not only with your grammar, but also your pronunciation and vocabulary. Thank you and have a nice day.